I do a lot of DIY, but I haven't made any videos for it yet, and I thought it would be fun to start out with the artwork that I made to go above our fireplace. I used the process called Dirty Pour that's all over YouTube right now, and it was so much fun that I thought I would share it with you so you could give it a try. So let's get started. Enough paint in each cup that when you blend them all together, there's enough paint to cover your canvas with a thick layer and still some that can pour off on the sides. Start adding your paint into the pitcher. Keep in mind, the first paint colors that you add in will be the last ones to pour out of the pitcher, so they'll be on top. I wanted lighter colors to be more visible, so you can see here that I poured those colors first and ended with the darker ones. When all of your colors are layered in, it should look something like this in the pitcher, with them staying somewhat separated and on top of one another. I started out at one end of the canvas and poured, moving the pitcher along the length of the canvas. When I got to the end, I could see that one end was going to be really dark and I still had paint in my pitcher, so I came back in the other direction to mix in some of the brighter colors. You're just going to want to keep pouring until all the paint is on the canvas. Now this is where it gets messy. You're going to definitely want to use your gloves for this. You're going to start moving the canvas around so the paint fills it and starts spilling off the sides. You're going to get paint all over your hands, so this is where the gloves come in handy. I didn't film this part because I needed to put my phone down, obviously, so it didn't get dirty. First of the final 2 steps is to take the 4 extra cups that you set aside and use those to elevate your artwork so it doesn't get stuck to the canvas. The final step is to use a cloth or your glove and run your finger around the edge of the canvas on the bottom so you can clean up all the drips so they don't dry that way. I only had to do this once and it seemed to work because when I came and looked at it the next morning, there were no drips hanging. You're going to want to wait 24 hours before turning the artwork vertically or hanging it because it's so thick it takes a long time to dry. And this is my final product. I love the way it turned out, and it's so fun to have something that no one else has, and I can say I made it myself. You all enjoyed this video and found this useful. If you did, I would love for you to hit like below and subscribe so I know it's something you want to see more of. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!